guys, ano na, 2 hours na kaming nagda-drive. Tama ba? Nagda-drive. Ito na, pagod na yung puwet ko sa kaupo dito. So, malapit na kami. So, yeah. Malapit na tayo guys. So, kaya hold on lang kayo dyan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang lugar na aming pupuntahan for today vlog. And saka, yeah, maganda siya kasi may dagat. At saka holiday place talaga siya, no? Kahit na, ano lang, short period of time lang ito guys, pero talagang may enjoy si King nito. At saka yeah, malapit na tayo guys, kaya huwag kayong aalis dyan. Right guys, so this is our room. This is our room guys. Because it's short time guys, nag-hotel na lang kami. Kasi mas okay yung hotel. Kasi mas malapit dito yung dagat. Ayan na yung dagat sa labas guys, oh. Ayan na, ang ganda ng view natin dito guys, oh. Talagang cool. Amazing yung view. So ayan, nakikita natin sa window yung dagat, di ba? Ang ganda guys. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Lalabas tayo mamaya dyan para makita nyo maayos. So, meron silang pakape dito guys. Oh. Ayan. Nag-boil na ako ng water kasi magkakape ako. Ayan. So, I like talaga yung ano guys, yung view namin na nakuha dito. I really liked it. Yes, King? No, we're going out.
Let's go out.
Okay, you want to remove your shoe?
No.
Okay, remove your shoe then. Remove your shoes. So, nice ang bed, oh. Pack. Nice, oh, diba? Ayan, dito tayo ngayon sa Lilia Dondo. I don't know if tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko, guys. That's it. Look at that. Amazing. King, your shoes is dirty, King. Oh, dear. Tingnan natin yung shoes niya, Bi. Remove your shoes, please. Shoes. Where is Christian? Where is Christian? There we go. Where is Christian? King is happy? Yeah, that's your extra bed. Ito kasi guys, oh, kasi yung wala silang available room na para wala silang available room para family room or something. Kaya nag-ano kami ng extra bed. Yeah. Make it bed. Oh. Uh-oh, where's your car? You found it. You're tired now.
I'm tired. A bird.
Okay, go sleep. Ayan guys, dito kami sa labas. Kung nakikita ninyo, ito yung labas ng hotel. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda guys. Nakikita niyo yan. Ang ganda. So, yung hotel namin nandun lang. Dito lang sa harap. Ayan, ayan. Yung nakikita niyo dyan. Yung sa left side. Kasi lalabas kami kasi. Kakain kami guys kasi anong oras na. So, ayan si King guys. Oh, naglalakad. Chill na chill lang si King. King! Where you going? King, I will take you picture here. King, here. Picture, come on. So nice, King. See? Come here. Naku, nilapitan ni King yung seagulls. King, be careful. King, tusok. Christian, be careful. Pusikon kasi na. Ay! Right, so guys, yan, takbuhan si King dito, which is safe naman siya kasi wala naman mga sasakyan. Puro nagwo-walking na yung mga tao dito. Lakas din ng hangin. Yung buhok ko nagsisiliparan na. Yan, but nice and fresh yung yung wind niya guys is very fresh, which is I like it. Talagang matanggal yung stress mo doon, you know. Ang ganda dito, super ganda guys. So this is the Leliando, no, I don't know how to pronounce, but this is the holiday place. So, ito yung first day ng holiday namin, guys. Ayun na si King sa harap, oh. Grabe, tumatakbo siya. Kung nakikita niyo dyan. Yan, so this is our first day of holiday. So, wide. So, first day of holiday. Meron sila doon, Ferris wheel. Look guys, oh, ang ganda doon sa taas. May bundok ng doon. Oh. I know, come on. Yeah, we're going ride there. Yeah, we're going to ride there, King. Don't worry. Yes, look at the house, very high. Yeah. So, medyo malamig ngayon dito guys. Kaya nakaano ako dito. Nakangit ako. Kahit si King meron siyang jacket. Kasi medyo mahangin. Tapos malamig. Pero hindi siya super na malamig ha. Ngayon yung buko. Nasisira sa hangin. Christian? Hala. So bukas, sa taliin ko na lang itong buhok ko. Sana dinala ko yung yung stick. Baka dito na kami kakain guys. So, kasi may mga fish and chips na sarap. Come on Christian, let's go!
Wow.
Where are you going?
Akabati.
Look! Watch out! May mga paninda sila dito. Oh. Ito yung mga paninda dito guys. Para din siyang black hole.
That one. Get one.
Ito si King, oh, namimili siya. Ask Daddy first. What's that? You want that?
Titi cool. Oh, mommy, what that?
Tignan mo si King, guys, namimili na siya ng mga laruan. Laruan agad ang nasa isip. That's for a girl. Don't destroy it. Auntie gonna be upset.
Okay.
Oh, there's a magnet here. Oh, come on, go out na. Dito, meron silang meron silang pag-gift dito. Ayan. King, here inside, King. Come here. Let's check here. Right. Ito, kung gusto nyo palang bibili ng mga giveaways. Giveaways. Yung mga remembrance pa dito sa loob. Let's go! Christian! Christian, we're going! Quick!
I can't go shaking.
Christian, come on! Ito na. Nakiiyak na siya kasi gusto niya yung toys.
Dad, what about
Dami na siyang toys. Tapos pang babae pa yung gusto.
What are you thinking? Wait.
Podemos.